How would you like to be at next year's Teamwork Grand Council? Hold that thought for a sec. The Teamwork Grand Council is a yearly, week-long event where the entire company gets together to collaborate, learn, and have fun, even virtually. This year we had some amazing guest speakers.
An hour of getting off that call, someone had supplied me with some data, another colleague had talked through it with me, and we'd nailed it. And I'm like, when am I going to learn this lesson of being prepared to just be a bit more vulnerable and open?
You don't have the same level of agency as you have to co-create the thing to which it is you have when you belong. So the big difference between belonging and inclusion is belonging is when you have the opportunity to co-create the thing to which it is that you belong.
Incredible workshops.
Somebody else is timid or they're shy or let's say they're somewhat introverted. They're not sharing a huge amount. What you want to do is try and ideally identify which of these, from their point of view, could enhance their trust in you.
And tons of fun. Plus, we share that tiny bit of news about our $70 million investment from Bregal Milestone. So do you want to be at the next Teamwork Grand Council? Great, we're hiring.